क्या आपको पता है एक ऐसी मिस्टीरियस रिवर के बारे में जो बहुत सालों पहले थी और बहुत सालों तक थी, जिसके ऊपर हमारे पूर्वजों ने बहुत बड़ी सिविलाइजेशन खड़ी की। यस, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट सरस्वती रिवर। जो कि एंशियंट टेक्स्ट जैसे कि ऋग्वेदा में मेंशन्ड है, जो कि बहती थी इस नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न साइड, जहाँ पर इंडस रिवर है, सतलुज रिवर है, लेकिन सरस्वती रिवर नहीं है। क्यों? क्या हुआ इसके साथ? चलिए जानते हैं। Okay, to prove the existence of Saraswati River, the scientists have really worked hard with satellite imagery and on-site evidences with Ghaggar Hakra river system, जो कि prove कर रहा है कि सरस्वती river was actually there, like before thousands of years, for thousands of years, and a big civilization जो कि Harappan civilization है, that was living on and thriving on Saraswati river. Okay, but when the Saraswati river dried up, कैसे हुआ ये ड्राई अप? What must have caused it? So, if I consider my hand as tectonic plates, when I'm moving them, well, okay, so ridges are forming, like, and this movement is also causing earthquakes. So, like, if I consider this ball, which isn't round anymore, so like it is moving with my hands. So I say if you consider this as a river, as water, so it is moving with my because of the movement of my hands. ठीक है. So this is how the course of water is changing, the river system is changing. अब जो सरस्वती रिवर है, इस फीडर है सतलुज रिवर. ओके, अगर द फीडर्स कोर्स चेंजेस, तो सतलुज का कोर्स चेंज हो गया. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द सरस्वती रिवर हैज गॉटन ड्राइड अप. ओके, now because the river got dried up, it is causing droughts for centuries and centuries. The people are living in horrible conditions. Their survival is on really alarming stage. So what will they do? They have to migrate. क्योंकि अगर यहाँ पर रहेंगे, so they won't survive. They have to migrate. They have to leave their home, their place where वहाँ पर ancestors, उनके ancestors ने इतने सालों से रहे, इतनी सारी knowledge उन्होंने इकट्ठा की. Like they knew how to live with the river, how to live with the Saraswati river, how to form those amazing drainage system, to utilize the water of the river, to thrive, to grow. But when this river has gone, they have to migrate. Now there is this Indus river, जिसके पास वो जा सकते हैं. But already there are people living on Indus river, और the climate of this region is such कि इतना arid climate है that they had to move towards Ganga, towards eastern side, क्योंकि Ganga is resembling more to Saraswati river for their living condition. So अगर वो वहाँ पर move होते हैं, so they are able to utilize the knowledge of their ancestors to again grow, to survive, to live well. So that's why they will move towards Ganga. This is so nice. Now, if we relate with them, if we relate with the Harappan civilization, they had to move, they had to leave their house just because of this heat, just because of these droughts. पानी नहीं है, so for survival they moved. लेकिन अगर हम इससे खुद को relate करें, like the climate is changing, the summers are extremely hot and they are not livable. So the region which is near equator, which is on tropics, what will happen to this region? क्या हमें नॉर्दर्न साइड में मूव करना पड़ेगा? क्या आफ्टर 100 and 150 ईयर्स हम यहाँ पर रह पाएंगे? क्या हमें हमारा घर छोड़ना पड़ेगा? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? क्या हो सकता है और हम इसे रिवर्स कैसे कर सकते हैं? कमेंट डाउन बिलो, शेयर योर थॉट्स एंड सी यू लेटर. बाय.